Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jamo TV HD. You already know what time it is. We've got the reviews out here today. Truly wireless earbuds. They're called the Touch 2 V5.0s and they're from a company called ACADGQ. Now they're on Amazon for $29.99. If you're on Prime, you can get these on next day delivery. They come in a nice little cool charging case, as you can see here. You got the micro USB on the back. You got 4 LEDs for battery indication. And as you can see, the earbuds themselves stay true to their name, so there's no physical buttons on them themselves. It's literally just touch sensitive controls. So that's a swipe left and right to change track left and right, swipe up and down to change the volume respectively, and a tap can either pick up a call, drop a call, pause your music, or start your music, or resume your music from pausing, I should say. So that's cool. You get a few little accessories in them. You got little different sizes of earbuds. You got the micro USB in there as well, and you got a little carrier bag as well as the instructions, which are in English, but you already know how they work, kind of thing. But yeah, just to drop a few more specs on you, you got Bluetooth 5.0, which will also give you that young, stable connection and work towards lowering latency and audio lag input when watching a video. So yeah, this is them, guys. This is them. Been using them for best part of a week now. They've been alright. They've been alright. You know, I don't really usually like these kind of headphones, but these have been cool. They've been cool. So, you know, I can put them in my ear like this. They've got that little earlobe part, as you just saw. You know, in the ear, kind of cool. And then if I do this side as well. In the ear, quite cool. And no matter what I do, let me take my glasses off before they just fall off. Oof, have to really shake my ear, and this one started falling out. But apart from that, they're in there quite secure. You do get quite a lot of passive noise cancellation, which is what you obviously do get with all these kinds of, you know, in-ear headphone designs kind of thing. But yeah, no, the sound quality is really good. The bass is definitely there. Treble and mids is there. Quite a balanced sound. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, quite a balanced sound, I would say. My only issue is that it's the pairing process was a bit long. I'm not gonna lie, the pairing process was a bit long because they don't really have any physical buttons on them. Pairing them to my phone was a bit hit and miss. I was like, is it pairing? Is it not? I mean, it does have like a little red and blue flashing light to let you know that it's pairing, but it was kind of, it took me about maybe, let's say about 5 to 10 minutes to pair it with my phone. Had to actually read the instructions. Not that that's an issue, that's what the instructions are there for, but I've had other things in the past where, you know, I've taken it straight out the box and it went straight into pairing mode, and all I had to do was literally look for the device on my phone and then, you know, just connect it to this, what's it called, to the headphones themselves. But these are cool anyway. You know, you don't have to fight with connecting them to each other. Once I think it's the left one, or is it the right one? Once one of them is connected, the other one connects to that, and then, you know, you get your music and stuff like that. The latency is quite decent. It is a Bluetooth 5.0 product. So, you know, if you're watching Netflix, the lag isn't really that bad. You can just about notice it, but it's not crazy to a point where, you know, the voice sync just goes way out of synchronization and stuff like that. The loudness of them is quite decent, even though they're right in your ear, so they don't really need to be that loud as well. But yeah, guys, decent thing. ACADGQ. Don't know about the name though. ACADGQ? I don't know. But that's it. All right.